Roughly 415 million years ago, a giant predator was stalking what is now England, long before forests spread and before the ancestors of reptiles, birds, and mammals had fully taken to land. The predator was a giant scorpion which measured more than a meter in length and was among the first large predators to ever stalk the land. The fossils of the scorpion, Prehistoric gigas, have been known for more than a century now, but its identity has always been the subject of controversy. However, a new research examining a range of fossils has now ended the long-standing debate about the identity and confirmed the existence of the largest scorpion ever discovered. The classification of the scorpion had remained uncertain for decades because the available fragments lacked key features which did not allow a definitive conclusion about its origin. For a long time since its first discovery in 1871, the creature was misidentified as an ancient woodlouse or crustacean. However, modern imaging techniques like X-ray tomography allowed researchers to correctly identify the creature as a true scorpion. The answer gained strength after the description of Scorpius, made in 2015, based on a well-preserved fossil found in Canada. According to the researchers, this ancient scorpion had an anatomical structure called sternum, formed by an elongated triangular piece with a central groove. The same characteristic also appears in the fossils of Prehistoric gigas, allowing scientists to confirm that the species indeed belonged to the group of scorpions. The Prehistoric gigas had an impressive size for its time. The animal could exceed 1 meter in length and had pincers up to 16 centimeters. This size placed the species among the first large predators to occupy terrestrial environments in the early Devonian period. At that moment in Earth's history, few animals had reached such significant dimensions outside of water. The giant scorpion had an amphibious or aquatic lifestyle and likely had an advantage over many prey living in flooded plains. The animal's strong body indicated a great hunting capacity in different environments. On land, Prehistoric gigas could capture small arthropods that already occupied wet and shallow areas. Researchers also suggest that it could act as an aquatic predator, expanding its presence in flooded regions. In this scenario, the scorpion could feed on fish and other larger animals. The species lived at a time in evolution when the ancestors of reptiles, mammals, and birds had not yet left the water. Small plants and fungi had only recently begun to spread, and more complex land ecosystems like forests did not exist yet. So, the absence of large competitors may explain why the animal grew so much and dominated its environment. The identification of Prehistoric gigas offers new clues about the colonization of terrestrial environments by complex life forms. During the Devonian, small plants began to spread across the continents. Over time, these adaptations would help form the first forests. Meanwhile, fungi and small arthropods also occupied these spaces, creating increasingly complex ecosystems. The presence of a predator of this size shows that the transition of life from water to land may have been more dynamic than scientists imagined. It challenges assumptions about why prehistoric arthropods reached such enormous sizes. Instead of being driven solely by environmental factors like oxygen levels, a lack of competition, and other ecological opportunities may have played a crucial role.